Hello, dear students. Today I am going to solve exercise 10C, and in this exercise, questions are based on cell text and weight. In Hindi, cell text means bikri kar, and weight means value added tax. Now, weight has been removed and GST has been applied. But here we will learn about cell tax and weight. Now, let question number 1. Question number 1. The list price of a refrigerator is rupees 14,650. If 6% is charged as sale tax, find the cost of refrigerator. The list price of a refrigerator is rupees 14,650 and sale tax is equal to 6%. Then find the cost of, so the cost price of refrigerator, the cost price of the refrigerator equal to the list price plus sale tax. The list price is 14,650 plus 6% of 14,650. It is equal to 14,650 plus 6 upon 100 into 4650. 2 5 ja 10, 2 3 ja 5 2 ja 10, 5 9 ja 45 and 5 3 ja rupees 14,650 plus 3 3 ja 9, 3 9 ja 27, 3 2 ja 6 and 2 8, and it is equal to 9 12 15 5 1 means 15,529 रुपीस. जब आप किसी शॉप पे जाते हैं तो वहाँ अगर कोई आप सामान खरीदते हैं तो उस पर इस समय आपको जीएसटी पेड करना पड़ता है. इसी तरह से पहले जो है सेल टैक्स और बाद में इसको किया गया वैट, वैल्यू एडेड टैक्स. Now question number 6. Question number 6. Mohani purchased a computer for rupees 37,960, including VAT at 4%. what is the original price of the computer, then the SP of the computer with weight equal to rupees 37,960, and weight equal to 4%. Let the CP be X. So SP equal to CP plus weight percent, then it is equal to X plus 4% of X, and here is equal to 37,960 is equal to X plus 4 upon 100 into X, means X plus X upon 25 or 26X upon 25. By cross multiplication we will get X equal to 37,960 into 25 upon 26. Two 13. 2 1 जा 2, 2 8 जा 16, 2 9 जा 18, 2 8 जा 16, 0. Now divide here 18980 with 13. 13 1 जा 13, 13 4 जा 52, 13 6 जा, means 1460 into 25 is equal to rupees 0. 25 से 150 and 25 for 110 15, 11 and 25 and 11 36. So original price is 36,500. इस तरह से इस कंप्यूटर का ओरिजिनल प्राइस हुआ 36,500. Now another question. Question number 10. Question number 10. Malti bought a VCR for rupees 19,980 including VAT. The original price of VCR be rupees 18,500. Then find the rate of VAT. The cost of VCR with VAT is equal to rupees 19,980 19,980 and original CP, original cost of the VCR equal to rupees 18,500. 18,500. So what equal to rupees 19,980 minus 18,500. Rupees 1,480. So what percent? VAT upon original CP, original cost or original CP, original CP into 100%. $18,500 into 100%. 5 3 जा 15 and 5 7 जा 35. 5 2 जा 10 and 5 9 जा 45 and 5 6 जा 8 times. 8 is equal to 8%. So VAT is 8%. Thus 8% VAT is charged, has been charged upon 18,500. 18,500 पे 8% VAT चार्ज किया गया है. So अब आप लोग 10C और 10D ये दोनों एक्सरसाइज कंप्लीट कर लेंगे. And if you have any problem related to profit and loss, you may ask me. Thank you.